Hey, what in the hayride is up, everybody? Welcome back to Brian's Badass Reviews. In today's video, I want to tell you about a company called Fresh Beards. I went on the old interwebs and ordered up their sample pack. They sent me 4 awesome scents, and I want to tell you guys about them. So let's get right into it. Kick the intro! Hey, thanks so much for stopping back into Brian's Badass Reviews. I'm Brian, and this is going to be my badass review, I guess. Do me a favor, if you like the content on this channel, please smash that subscribe button and hit the bell notification. It'll let you know when I got new videos coming out, and I got new videos coming out pretty much every week. If you like the content in the video, do me a favor and hit that like button so I can beat this darn algorithm from freaking YouTube. It's so freaking Today I want to talk to you guys about Fresh Beards. Fresh Beards is a beard company that was established in 2015. Kind of the cool thing about this is it was established by a Marine. And now it switched hands to another family, and this family is still holding up the values that the original owner started with. I love the values that this company has. These guys will give a $5 donation to the PTSD Foundation if you buy their PTSD Foundation of America line of products. Pretty much a mom and pop ran shop. A lot of people, they see these Fresh Beards, and I've heard a lot about Fresh Beards, and they think that it's this huge, like, big box type of company, but really it's not. It's pretty much mom and dad and their little girl, and they're running everything themselves as far as the packaging and the bottling and everything. It's pretty much a mom and pop shop, so pretty awesome. So I had heard about them on one of the other sites, and I wanted to check out their stuff, so I went on the old interwebs there, and I got myself a sample pack, and guys, $5 for 4 cents. And you guys know me, I've done this before in my previous videos. If I see a company and I'm not exactly sure what they're all about, I'll go out and I'll order their sample pack. To me, I think that that's a good way to kind of get an idea, to maybe to find a scent that I can lock down on, because I'll be honest with you, there's some great companies out there that I don't like all of their scents. I mean, not everybody's gonna like every single scent that these companies have to offer. So I like to get on there, I order the sample pack. So I went on the interwebs, paid $5, and they sent me this little sample pack, and I think it's pretty cool. It's very small, right? But I tell you what, it's pretty neat how they have the little vials. So you get this, comes out in this little slide out drawer thing, and there you have it. It gives you 4 little vials in there. And so I went with 4 different scents. I went with Blacklight, Voodoo, Beach Blend, and 1920. Now Blacklight and Voodoo are gonna be their more kind of cologne scenty types. The 1920 is their barbershop, and I'm kind of getting into these barbershop scents that these beard companies have. Each one of them is kind of their own take on their barbershop type scent. So it's always interesting. So if I see a barbershop scent, I'm gonna pick it up. And then their Beach Blend. So I'm gonna start off talking about Voodoo, because I think Voodoo and Blacklight are my favorite. And so they come in little vials like this, and as you can see, there's not a whole lot left. You can probably get maybe 3 or 4 uses out of this. I've already used pretty much all of the Voodoo because it's just so good. It's just a very nice cologne scent. Very clean, very crisp. I don't know exactly which cologne, but it's that cologne style. And you guys know from watching my previous videos that I like the cologne scented ones. So I just put a little bit on there. I don't know if you can see a little bit of glisten on the fingers there, but it's very good. It's very clean. I would say very light, awesome scent. And I would say that the Blacklight is very similar. This one is pretty much gone. Again, another kind of a cologne scent. You can go on their website. It probably gives you way better descriptions of what's in them and all the ingredients, all natural ingredients, all high quality ingredients. You can get the beard oil, a 1 ounce bottle of it's going to be $15, which is pretty much the industry standard as far as price point goes. So I'd say it's pretty fair, very good deal. Their balms are $20. I believe you get a 2 ounce can. So again, I say it's right there as far as the industry standard when it comes to price point. These guys have beard balms, they have beard washes, they have beard oils, they have mustache wax, they have apparel, they have all kinds of different stuff. I mean, pretty much all your main players that you'll see from all the good companies out there, they have everything you're gonna need for all your beard care needs. So anyways, the Blacklight, and this one I would say is has a little bit more of a punch to it as far as the cologne scent goes. The Voodoo's, I would say, in my opinion, it's a little bit of a lighter cologne scent, where this one's a little bit more in your face. It's awesome stuff. I will be ordering probably both of these products in the 1 ounce bottle. These samples just aren't enough to do it for me. So I'm gonna be getting some more of the Blacklight and the Voodoo. Those are my favorite. The 1920, again, it's a barbershop type style. It's kind of that Oh yeah, it's really good too. It's clean. It's that kind of talcum powdery. I gotta find out what that brush thing is called. You guys all probably know what it is, but they take it and they rub it on your face, or sometimes it's on the towel and they just pat you off and you have that nice talcum powdery kind of smell. That's what this barbershop scent is. They call it the 1920. Very good quality stuff. Last but not least is gonna be this beach blend. And guys, all 4 of these scents have been amazing. I'm happy with every single one of them. I'm thinking about maybe ordering another sample pack where I try some different scents just so I can get their full profile. So the beach blend is, when I smell it, I smell right away. I smell suntan lotion. Like you feel like you just got to the beach. It's got that kind of coconutty, that pina colada smell to it. This would be perfect if I was going to the beach, right? I'm grabbing my flip-flop. I'm filling the cooler full of ice for my adult beverages, and I'm going to the beach, and I'm gonna put the beach blend in my beard because it smells awesome. Kind of that suntan lotion, coconutty, almost kind of like the I don't know what those things are called, the Samoan, the Girl Scout cookies, man, it's just super awesome. If you're a coconut fan, you're gonna love the beach blend. So super impressed with all 4 of the scents. I really like the company. The logo is pretty cool. This is their logo. It's kind of the man symbol with the beard on it, the bottom of it. So that's pretty awesome. Just very nice packaging, very good values for the company. I like the fact that they're giving back to PTSD. They're using very high quality products. They have a lot of different things to offer on their site. Very impressed. That is Fresh Beards. I'll put the link to Fresh Beards in the description below. I'm not affiliated at all with them. You click the link, you go to the website, pick yourself some stuff up. I have nothing to do with it. There's no kickback for me on that. I just really like the company. I'm actually going to be going back. I am going to get myself some more of the Voodoo and the Blacklight. I think they're very good scents. I'm very impressed with the Fresh Beards company. So that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. You know what I like to say? You got to be kind to each other. You got to do what makes you happy. I'm out. Peace.